Hey guys, today I want to show you how to create meta description on your pages, posts, or categories. For those of you who don't know, the meta description is very important for your site. It can help your website to increase organic traffic and click-through rates, and also it lets the user know right away what your site is about. I'm going to show you first few examples what meta description look like. So first one is this one. And here we can see that this is their page title and this is the meta description. This are their page categories and each of them has meta description. And this is another example where there are no categories and just the title and their meta description. That is what a user sees right away when they search for the website. And we are going to apply the meta description with Yoast plugin because this is the easiest way, and I highly suggest you to have the Yoast plugin all the time because it helps with your SEO in general. You can definitely add a meta description without the plugin, but it's more complicated because you'll have to utilize some coding skills. So in order to do it with Yoast plugin, just go to plugins and install Yoast. So I'm going to quickly show you how to do that. Add new plugin, search for Yoast and install it. You don't need to pay for the paid version because free version is more than enough unless you need some extra features they offer, but I'm happy with the free plugin. And so now we're first going to start to add meta description to our pages. So we go to pages, all pages, and here is the list of all the pages I have. Most of them have meta description already. I'm just going to show you really quick. So for example, if you go to homepage and I click edit classic editor, scroll down, here we can see that I have a meta description. You see this bar is in orange because I exceeded the limit of characters I can add here. So I believe it should be 142, and if I edit it, it will be green. So here basically I have to add SEO title, we can add slug, meta description itself in this box, and here you can see more information, what is wrong, what needs to improve, and etc. And all in green, it's good. So it's pretty easy to understand too. So now let's go to the page where I don't have meta description yet. So for example, I had this footer pages, terms and conditions. It looks like this here. And now let's click on it, edit classic editor, and if I scroll down, here we can see that I don't have meta description. I only have some information, but it's limited. So in order to add meta description, I'm just going to copy paste the description I got from ChatGPT just for this testing tutorial and insert it. And again, we can see the orange line. So now let's remove this part, and it looks good now because it's green. So that's all we need here. And after we are done with meta description, we just have to click update and it will be updated right away here. But you might notice that the meta description is not shown right away if you Google your website and certain pages. That's normal. It can take a few days for Google to index it. So just don't worry about that and wait a little bit. So that's how we add a meta description to the page. Now, if we go to the post, it's pretty much the same thing. You will need to click on edit any post. So for example, this one, scroll down, and same thing here. You will have to add the meta description right here and update it. And also I want to show you how to add the description to the categories. So by categories, I mean this here. So for example, if you have the similar menu and there are drop downs, and these are categories. So this is the main page and they have sub pages. And let's say we want to have meta description for Asia. So let's find Asia here. And here we go. So let's click edit, and same thing here. We scroll down and here's a box for the meta description. So they add the meta description right here, and everything else we need to add and save. And after that, once we do everything correctly, our pages will show up on Google with meta description and categorized, and it will be clear for the user what our pages are about. And that's it for today. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye.